How to use Apple TV Plus on iPhone. Step number 1, sign up. To sign up on iPhone, you need to have Apple TV app. So navigate to App Store and search for Apple TV. Download Apple TV and open the app. Once you open the app, check from the bottom bar that you're in the Apple TV Plus section. If you're a new user, you will get a free trial, so click Accept the free trial button. Then double-click to subscribe. You will have 1 week free trial, and after that you will pay monthly, unless you cancel your free trial before that. Step 2. Navigating the app. Now we're in the Apple TV Plus section, as you can see from the bottom navigation bar. Here you have all the available shows and movies that are included in the Apple TV Plus subscription. You have all these different categories that you can use to find something interesting to watch. You can also search a specific movie or a show by clicking the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. By clicking the search result, you can see whether it's available on Apple TV Plus or whether you need to buy it as a separate movie or a show. Now we're back in Apple TV Plus section and we found something interesting to watch. So I click the show. If you scroll down, you can see more information about the show. You see trailers, bonus content, related content. You can see information about the cast and crew. You can get information how to watch it and more. By clicking the Season 3 button, you can select different season of the show. And by clicking the 3 dots next to the episode name, you get options. You can download the episode, you can go to the episode, or you can share it. If you want to find your favorite shows easily, click the plus icon on the top right corner. After this, you will find the show in Up Next section in Home View. And here you can remove the show from the Up Next section by clicking the 3 dots next to the show's name. Step 3. Watching shows and movies. When you find something interesting to watch, just click play. From the top left corner, you can select to cast your show, for example, to TV or your laptop. From the bottom right corner, you can see the 3 dots, and if you click them, you can share the episode or the show with your friends. This doesn't mean that they can watch it from your account, but you can share it as a suggestion. You can also adjust the playback speed, language, and subtitles. And in the bottom left corner, if you select info, you can choose to play the episode from the beginning, or you can get more details about the show. If you click up next, you get to select all the shows and movies that you have added to your up next list. Step 4, downloading. If you want to download an episode or a movie, click the 3 dots next to the episode name, and here click download. After the downloading is completed, you will find a show or movie from your library. You can navigate to library through the bottom selection bar. Once you're inside the library, click downloaded. And here you will find all your downloaded shows. Step 5, family sharing. To share Apple TV Plus with your family, you will need to create a family group in your iPhone, iPad, or iMac. To do this, navigate to settings and click your name. Next, click family sharing. And here, if you haven't set up family group yet, start setting up process. Next, invite family members. You will perhaps get suggested members and you can invite others. You can invite family members with their email or phone number that they use in their Apple ID. After you've set up your family group, go back to family sharing and click subscriptions. Here you can see that you're sharing your Apple TV Plus with your family. Step 6. Canceling subscription. If you would like to cancel your subscription or your free trial, in the Apple TV app, click your profile picture on the top right corner. Next, click Manage Subscriptions. Find your Apple TV Plus subscription and click it. Here, click Cancel Free Trial or Cancel Subscription, depending on the status. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.